Trying to use your iPhone as a hotspot, but it's not working. Let's fix that with a few simple steps. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through all the possible fixes to make your iPhone hotspot work seamlessly again. First step is to check your cellular data. Go to Settings, then click on Mobile Service and ensure cellular data is turned on. Test your internet by loading a website or using an app. Your hotspot needs a working cellular connection. Next, enable personal hotspot. Go to the setting, then click on personal hotspot and ensure it's toggled on. Make sure allow others to join is enabled if you are sharing with other devices. The next step is to restart your iPhone. Restarting can clear minor glitches that may be affecting the hotspot feature. Next, you update your carrier settings. Sometimes outdated carrier settings can cause hotspot issues. Go to your setting, then navigate your way to General and click on About. If there is an update available, you will see a prompt to update your carrier settings. Next, you reset network settings. Reset your network setting to clear any configuration issue. Go to Setting, then General, then Reset, and click on Reset Network Settings. Note that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. The next step is to check for software updates. Update to the latest iOS version by going to Settings, then General, then click on Software Update. This can fix bugs related to hotspots. If your hotspot still doesn't work, contact your carrier. Ensure your mobile plan includes hotspot functionality and there are no restrictions. And that's how you fix your iPhone hotspot. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.